What if in the next 90 days, you could pull in $10,000 of recurring revenue with no money out of pocket? And what if you could do this with no coding skills, no cold calls, and no paid ads? In fact, I'm going to show you right now how to use AI to sell itself to people you haven't even talked to yet. 6 months ago, this wasn't even possible. But now the AI has gotten so good, it can literally sell itself for you. This business model, though, it isn't new. It's actually pretty proven. Think of it like this. Imagine you own the Wix website, where you get paid every month from your subscribers, but your software provides a service for them to build their own websites. This service is called Software as a Service, or SaaS for short, and it's extremely profitable for obvious reasons. But now, instead of you owning a website that provides a service, imagine you owned an army of AI agents that sold themselves and worked for you online 24/7. I'm going to show you one now, and I want you to see how it creates custom demos of itself based on who it's talking to, and then sells itself to them without you ever having to talk to the prospect first. After they agree to buy, it then books them on your calendar for an activation call, not a sales call, because they've already agreed to buy. They already know the price. Literally, they're just calling you to set up billing and activate the system. After the demo, I'll show you how to activate them. It's super easy, just copy and paste. Lastly, I'm going to show you the exact method that I use to personally get unlimited customers for free. Check this out.
Hey there, my name is Samantha AI. I'm your live demo voice assistant. If you'd like, I can show you what your callers can experience instead of going to voicemail. Would that work for you?
Yes.
Great, and thanks for taking a moment with me. To begin, I'll ask a few quick questions so we can customize the demo. Can I start with your name?
Yes, my name is Jared.
Thanks, Jared. Now, what's the name of your business?
It's Southwest Plumbing.
Perfect. And Jared, who do you typically serve? Consumers, other businesses, or both?
A little bit of both, mostly consumers.
Gotcha. What kinds of calls or customer interactions do you handle most often?
Usually it's either service calls or people calling after hours or equipment installations, quotes, new quotes.
Now, Jared, how would you like customers to experience me? More friendly and conversational, or more formal and professional?
Friendly and conversational is fine.
Great. Is there a specific situation you'd like me to demonstrate, like booking, answering questions, or handling a frustrated caller?
Let's do a frustrated caller.
Perfect. Thank you. Now, based on what you've shared with me, Jared, I'm going to switch into role play mode and act as your voice AI assistant. This will give you an idea of what your customers can experience instead of getting lost to voicemail, especially new customers who might hang up and call one of your competitors. Keep in mind this is just a demo, my knowledge base, and everything I say can be fully customized for your business. Let's begin. Hello. Thanks for calling Southwest Plumbing. My name is Samantha, and I'm an AI assistant. How can I help you today?
Yeah, so you guys were here last night and you fixed a pipe in my basement and it's leaking again.
I'm really sorry you're dealing with that. Totally understand how frustrating that is. I'll make sure this gets priority. Can you walk me through what's happening now? Where exactly is the leak showing up?
It's right below the steps where the one pipe was. I don't really know. It's just there's water everywhere.
Got it. Thanks for telling me. When did you first notice it started leaking again? Was it right after the tech left, or did it start sometime today?
I don't know. I got home from work and heard it leaking down there, so I ran down and shut it off.
Thank you for turning the water off. That was the right move. I'm going to flag this as an urgent callback. What's the best number for our on-call supervisor to reach you? Is it the number you're calling from or a different one?
This number's fine.
Perfect. And just to confirm, this is a follow-up on last night's repair under the basement steps. Active leak noticed after work. Water is currently shut off. Got that right? I'm getting this to our on-call supervisor right now. You can expect a call back within 2 to 4 hours this evening. What's your name so I note it correctly for the escalation?
Jared.
Thanks, Jared. I've logged this as an urgent follow-up. Our on-call supervisor will call you back within 2 to 4 hours this evening to get this resolved. All right, Jared, that wraps up the demonstration. I do have additional features we can talk about, but just out the gate. Do you think having me working for you 24 hours a day might save you at least one new customer a month from getting lost to voicemail or calling a competitor before you can call them back?
I guess, yeah, we do miss a couple calls for sure.
Got it. And roughly what's your average ticket for a service call or install? Doesn't have to be exact.
Oh, it was probably, I don't know, probably $400 or $500.
All right. So at $500, I would only have to save you one sale a month to cover my cost at only $497. Then after that, you'd be in profit. I'm thinking something though. Jared, what if I worked for you for free for the first 30 days just so you could give me a try? Then if I do bring in more sales, you'd be cash flow positive from day one.
I don't know. We weren't really looking to install this right now. I was just calling to check out the demo.
Totally fair. No pressure. Two quick things to consider, then I'll let you decide. Missed calls add up, especially after hours. Even saving one service call a month likely pays for itself. With Me Live, you can show open 24/7 on Google, which usually drives more after-hours calls. Would a no-commitment 30-day free trial next week be a low-key way to test it without changing your workflow? If yes, I'll just book a short activation call to set it up. If not, we can circle back later.
What were you saying that it can actually rank higher on Google? I never heard of that. Explain that to me.
Great question. When you're able to take calls 24/7, Google lets you show open 24 hours on your business profile. Businesses marked open tend to surface more for after-hours searches, while those marked closed can be suppressed. The result is usually more calls at night and early morning. If you'd like, we can try the 30-day free trial and flip that on. Want me to schedule a quick activation call to set it up?
Yeah, go ahead. Why not?
All right, Jared, that sounds great. I'm excited to help you land more customers. Let's get your activation call on the calendar so I can be fully customized for Southwest Plumbing. What time works best for you for a quick setup call? Sometime this evening, tomorrow, or later this week?
Tomorrow afternoon is probably fine.
Sounds good. Tomorrow afternoon is Tuesday, January 13th. Do you prefer around 1 p.m., 3 p.m., or 4:30 p.m.?
4:30 is good. Should be settled down by then.
Perfect. I've got you for Tuesday, January 13th at 4:30 p.m. Is the number you're calling from the best callback number for the activation call? And could I get your email so we can send the confirmation?
Yeah, this number's fine. My email is at gmail.com.
Thanks. Let me confirm your email back to you. .com. Is that correct?
That's correct.
You're all set for Tuesday, January 13th at 4:30 p.m. We'll call you on this number and send the confirmation to .com. If anything changes, you can reschedule from the confirmation email or just reply to the text. Looking forward to helping Southwest Plumbing capture more calls. Do you need anything else before we wrap up?
No, that's it. Appreciate everything.
Great. I'll send that confirmation right over. Thanks for your time today, Jared. Have a good evening.
Thanks, you too. All right, so how crazy is that, right? Gave them a live demo, objection handling, booked them in, answered questions completely outside the scope. So now they're booked in. You get that notification of the booking. All we got to do to get them set up, we simply log into our AI software here. I do have a 30-day free trial link for you. Link is in the description. That gives you 30 days to play around with it. And if you like and share this video with someone else you think might be interested, drop a comment down below saying you did that, and I will send you a link to my free private school community. We got 387 members in here right now. I got a bunch more money-making AI stuff broken down into all these modules. Step by step, I'm in here every day answering questions, helping folks. So please join. It's free. There's a funny cat at the top that you can play with. It's kind of weird. Shoot me a message. I'd love to connect with you. All right, back to work. If you want in, like, share, and comment. So once you log in, just come right down here to AI agents, come up to voice AI, hit create agent. Now, you can browse a marketplace or create a custom agent. The easiest thing to do is just browse a marketplace because there's tons of them already created that are free. So depending on what the business owner needs, whether it's a calendar appointment booking or just a messaging service where it takes all the information and sends it to the owner of the business via text or email or whatever, a ton of these are free. You can test them out. A few of them are paid, but there's more than enough available here for the free ones. So basically click on one you think you like. Here's the all-in-one receptionist here. Hit install. It's going to dump in and go live. Then come in, open the agent in the agent list, come over to phone availability, and here's where you assign a phone number. Now you can buy these phone numbers right in here. They're super cheap, but the business owner doesn't have to change their phone number. All you do is turn on what's called conditional call forwarding. Basically, depending on the carrier they have, you just go through this little guide here. All the business owner has to do to literally turn this on is dial the call forwarding number, and it will let the phone ring. But instead of going to voicemail on the business owner's side, it's going to then get forwarded over to your new AI agent. So the business owner literally changes nothing. Instead of calls going to voicemail, they now go to voice AI. That's it. Now, as far as billing and stuff, There's a multiple ways to do it. It's easily set up in the program. We cover all that in the training. It's super easy. They put in their credit card and you get paid every month. Now you don't have to bill $497. Some people bill more. Some people are billing $1,000 a month for this. It's up to you. It's your business. You can run it how you want, but you won't have any business unless you know how to get customers, right? Because this is a great tool, except no customers, no business. So how do we get unlimited people to call our AI agent so we can start making sales 24 hours a day? This is what I call the Facebook value method. And I've actually made another video covering this completely. This one here on my channel, $18,000 farting around. I made 18K lying in bed. You can too. That covers this entire strategy in depth. So this is a proven strategy. I'm not just making this up. All right. So back to our group here. So what do we do now? We want to join Facebook groups. I've joined, you can see 815 groups here of different businesses, business owner groups, local regional business owner groups, industry groups like plumbing, HVAC, things like that. Anywhere where there's going to be small business owners, contractors, people that provide a service where someone is going to be searching for them on Google Maps, such and such a thing near me. And then if they don't answer, the person's just going to call the next number, right? So for example, here is scrap metal scrappers. There's tons of these types of groups. There's 84,000 people in this scrap metal group, right? These are all scrappers. Okay. This is one of those things where if you're going to try to call and get scrap metal picked up, you don't really care who comes and gets it. You just want somebody. So these guys have to be on the phones. If they miss a call because they're loading stuff up, they're going to lose money, right? So I come in here and we simply want to post a value-added post. Now, where do we get the post? What do we say? I use ChatGPT to generate ideas and then I kind of fix them up so it doesn't look like AI, right? So I have a number of different versions here. So we come in, we drop the posts. This says I'm not trying to sell anything here. I don't like that. We'll just start with, I am testing an idea. Most voice AI systems feel robotic and drive callers away. I'm doing this live, by the way. I am going to post this here. So, but voicemail drives them away too. So I built my own version to see if the conversation itself could be improved. I've tested dozens of scenarios, but nothing replaces unpredictable humans. So if you got a minute, call it, see how it handles you. Be polite, be rushed, be weird, all fair game. 1-866 blah, blah. If it's trash, tell me. If it's trash, it's a scrap metal group. It's kind of funny. If it surprises you, tell me that too. If it surprises you, I'll just say, if it's trash, tell me. They're probably a bunch of haters anyway. All right. Now, a lot of times these will go to the admins for approval, which is fine, right? It says your post is pending. 99% of the time, if you're not a jerk about it, right, and you actually add some value, they'll approve it. Okay. Because if they feel like it's going to add value to the members of the group, then they'll approve it. If you come in here and you post something that's just like, hey, buy my stuff, you're going to get flagged as spam and they're going to kick you out. All right. So you do need to think a little bit here. You have to have a little bit of your own thought process that goes into it. That's the hardest part. We're done. We're literally done. Once they book on your calendar, you just activate them like I showed you. If you want some one-on-one help getting this set up, everything's absolutely free. Just like, share, drop a comment down below. I'll send you a link to everything you need. And if you want to learn even more about other AI opportunities I teach in my school community, watch this video right here. Yep, it's there. Click it. Click that video. Yep, kind of weird. Okay.